Hello, I'm super excited to show you some different resources that you can use to help guide your instruction or know how to report in option B in Overture. So this is a listing of the skills checklist for fourth grade. We'll use this as an example today. Let's say I look at this right here, generate and analyze patterns, and I don't understand what that means as a fourth grader. So there's a couple things I can do. The first thing I could do is go to Overture's math progression, and I would click down here on the bottom on fourth grade, and I would look at generate and analyze patterns. It's right there. Gives you an example of what that is right here. And I also notice that it's under operations and algebraic thinking. So it's patterns within that. So that gives me a clue right there of maybe I've worked on this in my curriculum or it's something that my student needs to work on. Another resource you could go to is this Common Core score sheets. I know that sometimes we don't like the word Common Core, but this is a great way to sort and be able to find resources. So right here it's listed by the side by grade level. And if I go down to fourth grade, I know that generate and analyze patterns is in operations and algebraic thinking. So if I highlight over this and go down to 408.5, it talks about that. Generate a number or shape pattern that follows a given rule. Okay, so that's what it's talking about for fourth grade. So if I click on that, it opens it up, it explains it, and it also gives you worksheets that you can do with your child. So that fit this example. So it would be a matter of printing it out, see how they do on it, reteaching, extending. There's flashcards. There's lots of different things you can do here. Another thing that you can do is remember that 408.5 and go to Teachers Pay Teacher. If you don't ever use Teacher Pay Teacher, this is a great resource for not just math standards, but for anything. Like for instance, this is my go-to every time. Tomorrow I'm teaching on Kwanzaa, and if I want to find different things, I'll come here first. But you can also search by standard in here. So if I put in 408.5, click, it brings up all sorts of different things. There's a bigger thing that teaches fourth grade math that has that in it. But if I keep scrolling down, I can get to things that are just like math test cards on 408.5. This is $1.50 to get that will help you with that. You could go through those things, submit it on your portfolio submission, and it would be taken care of. There's another one with fourth grade 408.5, a 3-day mini unit for $6. So it's a simple way to type that in for any grade level. Remember, you type that in here, but you find them on here, depending on the level. So we could level K. If you're not sure what it is, look for that there. You can also go here and put that in by grade level to figure it out and use Teacher Pay Teacher to help supplement, or the Super Teacher worksheets, or go to Tumble Books. You can put that in there. There's lots of different ways that you can work within these standards. I hope that helps.